Dear friends, today I will start another chapter 14 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. And chapter 14 is about patent office and its establishment. Okay, and this chapter consists of sections 73, 74, 75, and 76. Okay, so then we will start with section 73, whose title is Controller and Other Officers. Fine, okay. Let us proceed with our key points. Subsection 1. The Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks, appointed under subsection 1 of section 3 of the Trademarks Act 1999, shall be the Controller of Patents for the purposes of this Act. Okay, and we can discuss here what is the section 3 of Trademarks or TM Act 1999. This is as follows. Section 3 of the Trademark Act, it has the title of Appointment of Registrar and Other Officers. Okay. Subsection 1 is the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, appoint a person to be known as the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks, who shall be the Registrar of Trademarks for the purposes of this Act. Subsection 2 is the central government may appoint such other officers with such designations as it thinks fit for the purpose of discharging under the superintendence and directions of the registrar such functions of the registrar under this act as he may from time to time authorize them to discharge. So, these two subsections are from section 3 of the Trademarks Act 1999. Subsection 2 of section 73 of the Patent Act, what does it say? For the purposes of this act, the central government may appoint as many examiners and other officers and with such designations as it thinks fit. So, in short, we can explain this as the number of examiners and other officers with such designations are appointed as per the wish of central government. That means, as the central government thinks fit, as per his wish, he appoints them. Okay. Next, subsection 3. Subject to the provisions of this act, the officer appointed under subsection 2, or we can say, I am reading it again, subsection 3. Subject to the provisions of this act, the officers appointed under subsection 2 shall discharge under the superintendence and directions of the controller such functions of the controller under this act as he may from time to time by general or special order in writing authorize them to discharge. In short, we can say the officers appointed by the central government as per section 73 subsection 2 shall discharge under the superintendence of the controller the functions of the controller by general or special order in writing, etc. Okay, writing authorize them. So we can say that by special order, by general order or special order in writing, etc. Okay. Next one. Subsection 4. Without prejudice to the generality of the provisions of subsection 3, the controller may by order in writing and for reasons to be recorded therein withdraw any matter pending before or after appointed under just a minute. I am reading it again to clear the confusion. Subsection 4 says, without prejudice to the generality of the provisions of subsection 3, the controller may, by order in writing and for reasons to be recorded therein, withdraw any matter pending before an officer appointed under subsection 2 and deal with such matter himself, either de novo or from the stage it was so withdrawn, or transfer the same to another officer appointed under subsection 2, who may subject to special directions in the order of transfer proceed with the matter either de novo or from the stage it was so transferred. So in short we can say that the controller may withdraw any matter pending before an appointed officer and deal the same himself, either from scratch or de novo, we can say, that means from the beginning, or from the stage where it was withdrawn, or may transfer, that means he may transfer the same to another officer appointed by the same provision or by the same manner as per section 73 subsection 2, and that officer also can start from scratch or de novo or from the stage of transfer. Okay, so this way all the subsections of section 73 are completed. So friends, please go through this video. Please if you have any queries, anything, so please share in the comment box. Please give compliments if you like it really in the comment box, and yeah, you can click a like as well, and please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you so much friends for watching my video, and stay safe, stay blessed.